Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Wallpapers and Style. So right here, let's scroll a little bit to find this option Wallpapers. And we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got different categories like calm, light and shadow, blossom, color, OS, for example, or classic. Moreover, at the top we've got the option album, so we can enter our own files, our own photos and set them as a wallpaper. And we've got also the option carousel wallpapers. Moreover, at the very bottom we've got the option more wallpapers, and if you've got the internet connection, you can enter the themes, the application where you can find different wallpapers. They are free of charge and they are available online. However, be aware, because you will need to be logged into the account, so you can simply create it and then download some beautiful wallpapers. But I will pick something from those options just to shorten this video. So let me pick maybe this one. So just tap on the wallpaper to check it on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Or you can again use carousel wallpapers. I'll pick both options, so just let me tap on it. And now again we will have the preview, so how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen. So I highly recommend to simply swipe it to the right, because here we've got another option to set the wallpaper. Here we've got the option Wallpaper Color, so just tap on it and tap on it again. And as you can see, instead of the specific photo, we can set a solid color. So we can either use the gradient or solid color. We can choose the color basically, and thanks to the switcher we can change the intensity of the color. So by going to the right we can make it more pastel-like, and to the left much darker. So basically we've got an additional option. Same situation with the solid color. Again, we've got the switcher to just change the intensity. So this is how it works. I just wanted to show you another option which is quite hidden, let's say. So I think I'll stick to the photo, so let me just tap on match lock screen and your device will apply it immediately. Here we've got also system colors, so if you would like to, you can change the colors of the switchers and specific buttons. You can choose something from the featured colors or use wallpaper colors, so your device will simply take it colors from the wallpaper and apply them to the system. Moreover, right here we've got the option custom, so you can simply choose the specific colors that you'd like to use just by using those dots. As you can see, you can just drag them across the photo and choose the colors. Alright, so and this is how it works, and then simply tap on apply if you're ready in the right upper corner. And be patient, because as you can see it might take a while. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.